Okay, so we will continue our SST in your lesson number 4, that is map. So in your previous class, we have finished discussing till conventional sign and symbols. Today we will go through sketches, okay? So far we have been talking about drawing maps which are accurate as they have been drawn in specific scales, but we also often draw rough drawings to locate or show places where we need to go. A rough diagram which is drawn without measuring the distance between various places is called a sketch. Underline this. What is a sketch? Okay? From here. What is a sketch? Underline till here. Okay? Suppose, okay, this is just an example, so we won't go through this, alright? So here it says that, let me first tell you that sketch means a rough diagram drawing given essential features, okay, of a distance or details made to assist various making of finished picture, alright? In a simple way, you can just go through this only. You can prefer on this, okay? So in our previous class, we have been discussed a map and its accurate drawing. And maps are drawn in specific scales. Scales means an instrument used to measure things in a particular system. So apart from that, it says that many a times, or say like frequently, we draw rough drawing even to locate the places or to show the places. Alright? Now, plans. I'm sure you all know what is plans, but let's just go through. Sometimes you want an accurate map. This is especially true when you are looking at a map on a small area like a building. For example, if you were to move into a new house, it would be useful to have an accurate map of the house which showed the length and the breadth and each room, the height of the window and doors, etc. So these are just an example, okay? So plans mean like details of something, decisions about something to do, or even decide and make arrangement in advance, or design or make a plan to be made or built, alright? So plans, there are lots of different simple meaning, alright? And accurate means like predicting or prediction something, analyzing or measurements in a correct in all details, okay? Such an accurate map of a small area which shows even minor details is called a plan. You can underline that also from here. No need to put such. An accurate map of small area which shows even minor details is called plan. Alright? The scale is a plan. The scale of a plan is different from that of a map. So scale is different and map is different. Alright? Keep in mind that. Scale means an instrument used to measure things in a particular system, and map, it shows different, okay? Map means drawn in a specific, okay, in a specific way. A map represents a large area and is therefore drawn to a small scale. 1 centimeter on a map may represent 100 kilometers on the ground. So these are just an example, okay, to let you know the measurement. The differences. A plan represents a small area and is therefore drawn to a large scale. 1 centimeter on a plan may represent just 1 meter on the ground. So you just keep in mind these two, the differences on a map and a plan. Alright? We can show the features of the earth on a map, sketch, or a plan. Each one of them has its own advantages. 1. A map can show a large area but without details. 2. A plan can show a small area but in great detail. Number 3. A sketch can be drawn quickly to give a rough idea. So, all these 3 points keep in mind, alright? Advantage of a map, plan and sketch, alright? So, under this much in this lesson, that's the end of this. I've already told you to do exercise A, B and C. So, even D and E will also be your homework. Alright, write everything in your copy and please do submit your notes on time. Alright, question number exercise A, F, long answer type question I will send you separately. Alright.